welcome, namaste, salam alaikum. Welcome to another video, my dear friends, and also welcome to this brand new tar road. Waiting for ages on this Babusapalya service road, but let's get this video started. Alright, so something very weird and something very strange has happened on my CBR. Not really sure why this has happened, but yes, having read the description, you guys would have figured out that the rear monoshock is actually it's given me hand, it's given hot, so it's leaking oil and it's obviously gone. So I'm really not sure what the reason is for it to go so fast, because having checked with so many of the Honda the CBR riders, nobody has changed it, man. For even a lakh, like 80,000-90,000, nobody has changed. So this case, mine is completely different. But keeping in mind, I've not ridden this bike that hard, smashing it on speed breakers and potholes or whatever. But yeah, that's the scene, man. But the funny part is, having ridden the KTM for almost close to 70,000 kilometers in 4.5 years, or close to 5 years in fact, I've never broken either the front fork oil seal or even the rear suspension. But this is really weird. But nevertheless, not a big deal. We are starting off a small ride this Saturday. So this new year also will be towards Kerala. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, now I'm just heading to the Honda, the Highlander service center, which is in HSR. And once I get there, let's see what is the cost of the replacement, because he said he has stock of the part. I will get that replaced and I will update you guys in a bit. Finally reached. That was pretty quick, man. Perks of traveling on a holiday. Everything is closed, there's no traffic. Whew. Good morning, Karthik. Update poila.
The problem is what I didn't have on a KTM Duke 390. The problem is here with the Honda CBR, but very rare is what Karthik, the mechanic, the technician, has told. So if you see closely here, the oil is leaked completely, and it was really spongy, the ride. So it's not safe to have such a suspension, especially when you're riding two up and with luggage. So yeah, that's a complete waste of the suspension, which has lasted about 35,000. Too soon for a Honda, but nevertheless the change happened pretty fast, and impressed with the work, by the way. So let me talk about what was the damage to my pocket and what kind of bill I've received. It's a pretty small bill. I was expecting the the rear shock to be about 4 or 5 grand, but it cost about 1,469. And I also changed the exhaust header pipe because there was a small problem. There was a small ticking noise that was coming, and that has changed. So the total labor was about 500 bucks and a total bill of 3,230, which is pretty okay, manageable, not a big deal. But now getting to the main part of the video, the right location for New Year. If you've read the description, we are riding to Kerala again. So the reason why I'm telling you the location is because few of you guys had actually messaged the last year when I was in Kannur for a meetup. So if you guys are looking at this video, just DM me on Instagram, which is AJ_390, and we shall definitely meet up in Kannur this time. So we shall find a location out there. You guys choose a spot and I will be there. So the ride starts on Saturday morning and we are back to Bangalore on Tuesday night. So the entire 3 days I'm going to be in Kannur. So maybe half a day we can spend, meet up, talk about bikes. That's about it. So that's said and done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. As always, ride hard, ride safe. Peace. I'm not even ready, man. Cameraman. Who will do all this work? Stop the camera.